Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class, and today we will be doing the next topic, and that is error. Error, it means mistake. So today we will be doing this topic, error, and we will find out what are the errors that we find in English grammar, or in other words, grammatical errors. So there are 3 points. So let us check. The first one, I observe the characteristics and details. Number 2, I choose the words. And number 3, I write and rewrite. So these are the 3 points which is very important. In a descriptive paragraph, you express the characteristics or details of a person, an idea, an action, an object, a setting, or an event. So let us look at the first point. I observe the characteristics and details. It means, what will I describe? How does it look? How does it taste? How does it sound? How does it smell? What does it look like? The second point, I choose the words. It means or comprises of these 7 words, that is adjectives, synonyms, antonyms, adverbs, similes, metaphors, and personifications. And the last point, I write and rewrite. It means I reread the text, I read it to others, I allow others to read it, I listen to recommendations, I revise errors, and the last one, I rewrite the text. So students, please read these meanings carefully. By the term errors, it also means common mistakes in English. So let us look at these 14 examples, but I will be doing only 4. The rest you can read on your own. Don't say, I know him good, but you have to say, I know him well. Don't say, don't go in the sun, but you have to say, don't go out in the sun. Number 3, on what you are here, but you have to use, what are you here for? Number 4, don't say, tell me why did you do that, but you have to say, tell me why you did that. So please read these common grammar mistakes so that you will understand clearly. So please read this one and check the difference. So next, common writing mistakes. Check the difference between it's and it apostrophe s, then and than, right versus right. Next, use of nouns. Example number 1, the clock has struck 5 hours. That is incorrect. The correct one is the clock has struck 5. Hope you are clear with the meaning of errors. So now let us look at the second one, that is omission. So let us look at the meaning of omission. Omission means to find the missing words. Or we will look at some of the rules. Omission of articles. Rule number 1, articles are not used before the name of languages. Example, English, Hindi. Rule number 2, before the names of days, months, subjects, disease, festivals, and seasons, articles are not used. Example, I have no interest in physics. Students, please check. We cannot say an English, the Hindi, a physics. Okay, students? So we will move to rule number 3. Rule number 3, do not use articles before uncountable and abstract nouns when used in a general sense. Uncountable nouns, it means the one which we can't count, whereas abstract noun, the one which we can't see. For example, honey is sweet, wisdom is better than riches, junk food is bad for your health. Honey and junk food are examples of uncountable nouns, whereas wisdom example of abstract nouns. The next one, you can check apostrophe for omission, when to use the apostrophe sign. And the second one, omission occurs when a sound is left out that is too hard to pronounce. Student, please do these 5 exercises. Exercise 1, please make sentences by looking at these pictures. Exercise 2, use punctuation marks and misspell words correctly. Exercise number 3, you have to use capitalization. So please do these 2 exercises. And the last one, exercise number 4, please read these questions carefully and solve all these exercises. So I will stop here for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.